Today is December the 23rd, and I noticed that Google has not sent out any payments. Usually they would send out an email. If you look at my payment history here, you notice that no payment has ever been received after the 22nd of the month. And today is the 23rd, and this is December, and it's 2 days before Christmas. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people are wondering where their checks are at. And I'm still wondering. I haven't got any payments. Usually you would get an email similar to this saying that they have sent your payment. And I haven't received this email or any emails. So I was just wondering, even if I go back to 2018 and I got this sorted by payments, you notice that if you look at these dates, there's nothing after the 22nd. Even in December and November, they're all the 21st. So if I go back this year, today is the 23rd, and this is still pending. So if anyone know the solution to this, let me know. And thank you, and leave a comment below if there's an issue. I hope they send it today because, like I said, we only have a couple of more days before Christmas. And a lot of people would like to go shopping today, if possible. All right. Thank you, and have a great day.